How to fix Snapchat login verification problem. So if you're getting an error while trying to log into your Snapchat, maybe some kind of verification issues, there are a couple of steps that we can take. The first step is to simply check our internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and then see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, it depends upon what kind of login issues that you're facing. Now, if you're facing a login issue for an incorrect password, you can always tap on this option called Forgot Password to try to reset it. You can also log in using your Google account or your passkey, or if you're on iOS, you can try to log in using your Apple account. If you're trying to log in using a username or email, you can also try to log in using your phone number instead if you're not sure what your username or email is about. But if you forgot it, normally you can tap on forgot and reset via phone or via email. And this way you should be able to fix Snapchat login verification problem. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.